Oh no! What time is it? We are so late!
Brown, wake up right now. We overslept this morning.
What? What is happening? Is something wrong, dear?
Anna, Jack, wake up everyone. It is very late.
What? Why are we in such a hurry, Mom? Everyone, please wait. We need to take quick turns.
Oh no! Where is my backpack? I cannot find it! It was right here yesterday. Where did it go?
Mom, I cannot find my favorite shoes anywhere. They are not under the bed or in my closet.
Which way is the bathroom? I am still so sleepy.
I am coming. Everyone just stay calm, please. Okay, let me make a very quick breakfast for everyone. This will only take 2 minutes. Perfect timing. Oh no! The toast is completely burnt. What do we do?
Maybe we should just skip breakfast this morning?
Mom, are we going to be very late for school today? Anna, sweetie, we are going to make it. I promise you. Wait, everyone! Stop! We can do this if we work together.
Brown, make sandwiches. Kids, find your missing things now.
Yes! I can make sandwiches very fast. Watch me go. Wait, I remember now. I left my backpack in the living room. Anna, look what I found. Your favorite shoes are right here.
Thank you so much, dear brother. Now let me help you put everything in your backpack properly.
Everyone get in the car quickly. Buckle your seatbelts.
Wait, where are the car keys? Oh no, not again!
Here they are. I grabbed them from the table inside. These sandwiches are so delicious, Dad. Thank you very much.
Look, everyone, I can see the school right over there. Good morning, everyone. You made it just in time today.
We did it together. I am so proud of all of you.
Sophia, can we please go outside to play?
No, it is raining too hard. You will get very wet.
But we really want to jump in puddles.
Maybe you can play inside today. The rain will stop soon.
Anna, I have a really good idea. Come with me now. We have rain boots and raincoats. We can ask Sophia again. Wait, this is backward. Okay, now I am ready. Look, Sophia, we have our boots and our raincoats. Please.
Okay, but you must stay together and come inside when I call.
Yes! Thank you, Sophia. Watch this. Here I go. Woohoo! Let us see who can make the biggest splash ever.
I call this one the spinning rainbow splash.
Cannonball! Watch out, everyone! Here I come!
Look at me! I made a big, big splash too!
Everyone, look! I found a worm. It loves the rain.
My boat is sailing across the ocean. Go, little boat!
I am eating the rain. Yummy, yummy rainwater. The thunder is too loud. I want to go inside now. I fell down. I am all muddy. I do not like this.
Oh no, Sophia is coming. We are in big trouble now. If Cindy is muddy, then I want to be muddy too.
Wait for me! Geronimo! We are all muddy together.
Cannonball, mud time. This is the best day ever.
I think you need a little more water to wash off that.
Take that.
No
splashing,
Sophia.
Get brown.
Cindy, splash attack.
Well, I think we're all going to need a very big bath tonight. Okay, everyone inside now. The storm is getting closer. Let us go.
Wait, one more big splash. Okay, now I am ready to go in.
My boot is stuck. Help me, please. It will not come off. Go, yellow duck. Swim faster. Come on, my duck can win.
Hot cocoa with marshmallows. Thank you, Sophia. This is so yummy.
The rain is still falling, but now I do not feel sad anymore.
You know what? I think this was our best rainy day ever.